How to add your friends on Dunk City Destiny and play with them. This video I'm gonna show the whole process and how to do everything. So this is a new basketball game that just came out. A lot of people they're asking how to add friends on here. So it's super easy and super simple. If this video does help you, make sure you like and subscribe. So what you have to do firstly is you're gonna have to click on this phone icon right here, all the way to the left down here. So just click on that. Then once you do that, you should have this options right here. Just from here, click receive all slowly. Then as you guys can see, it should take a while. It should bring you to this button right here. Just click on tap the blank area to close. So we're going to close this right here. Now from here, we're obviously going to go back. So click on this go back option right here. Then once you do that, it should bring you to this page right here. Now from here, it's super easy and super simple. So what you have to do first is you're going to have to click on this option right here where it's at contacts. Then once you click on contacts, you're gonna have to search up your friend's name or their ID. I'm gonna show you how to do all of this, but for now, just put in their username. If you don't have their ID or their username, just wait for a minute while I put it in. As you guys can see, my friend's whole profile just came up. So what I gotta do from here is just click on this add button right here. Then once you do that, it should say friend request just sent, as you guys can see. Now I'm gonna show you guys how to find their name or their ID. So what you have to do firstly is you're just gonna go back and you're gonna have to come over here all the way back to the lobby. Now from here, you're gonna have to click on this button all the way on top to your left. If you do go over here, you have your username right here and you have your ID right under it. You could always just copy on it and paste. As you guys can see, if I do click on it, just that copied. So you could always do that and just copy and paste it to them. So this is super easier for them. But as of right now, with your friends, they have to do, they just have to go back and add you as a friend. So I'm gonna go on my other phone and add myself as a friend. So I'm going right now. Now from here, I'm gonna have to click on application. I'm gonna have to click on contacts, click on yes right here. And I just added them as a friend. Now, if I do go on my phone again, and I do click on this right here, as you guys can see, my friend, he's already here. So just click on tap on the avatar, blood, just click on his name right here and now I have him as a friend. Now, if you do want to play with him, I'm gonna also show you how to do that as of right now. So if you do want to play with your friend, you're gonna have to click on this icon all the way to the right on top, this little icon, just click on that slowly. Then once you do that, as you guys can see, your friends, all your friends just came up. So I'm gonna invite one of them, Stemic right here, STXMK. I just invite him. And it should say application sent. Now on his screen, he just gotta accept. And once he does that, as you guys can see, he is in my lobby right now. Now I could play any game right now. If I do click on start, my game is gonna start. So if this video helped you, make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. As we see how you add a friend and play with them. Thank you for watching. If you need any help, leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you for watching.